It stopped raining, yay! Sun is out, can't get anything better than that. It is a beautiful day today. It's a little chilly outside, but the sun shines. It's just being out here in the woods. It's just beautiful, and everything's starting to bloom, and life just comes back into the woods. And I just love being here. So I can't wait for this. I mean, for everything to go, and we just keep going here. We're right now at we're cutting boards for the with the sawmill today for our framing for our concrete. So we're gonna be doing that today. And while I'm out here, I'll do video and do what I need to do. But I just want to show you a couple of things that's going on right now. But it's just like I said, it's just a beautiful day, and I'm just very happy to be out here in the woods today. So I hope you enjoy this video. So this is an area that we have cleaned out. All this was overgrown. Just imagine how this place will look. Being all cleaned up and everything. All those briars that's everywhere right now. It's just very painful. But this is looking really good. I love the way things starting to look, and everything start turning green again. It's just warms my heart. It just feels good. But yeah, this is what we've done here so far. So looking good. And so much nicer walking here because there are no briars anymore. Well, they are there, but they're all chopped up though. Listen to the birds. It's just beautiful. So this video is really nothing about really one particular thing. It's just a little bit of everything about life and things we do to keep going forward to build our homestead here at the farm. Our goal right now is to get the barn done. So we have to do our next step. What we have to do, build a frame for the concrete, and then we're going to get the concrete, and then after that we're going to be building the walls for the barn. So one step at a time. Even sometimes I'm really anxious about it, get frustrated about it's not going fast enough. I just have to keep reminding myself, hey, enjoy the ride, take your time, and appreciate what you got. And it's been a long road for us where we're at now, and God has blessed us in so many ways that we don't even deserve. But I'm just so grateful that He gives us every day. So I'm enjoying the sunshine and today, and just take one at a time. it's just been a great day so far, and I hope y'all have a blessed day today too. And I hope y'all get lots of sunshine. And let's keep this rain a little bit away for a while.